guys, we are back with Bigg Boss discussion. Yesterday we saw the last task inside the house, and it was certainly an emotional moment for the inmates. We saw some ex-contestants coming inside the house too. So we have Arushi with us who will tell us more about the updates.
So Kriti, yesterday was the second day of the Mela task and we saw ex-contestants of this season and of the previous seasons coming inside the house to tell the contestants more about their journey and how they are being looked outside the house.
Yes.
So the first one to come inside the house was Naveen, and interestingly Manveer already had a hint that Naveen will be coming inside the house.
How is that possible? Like
he wanted him to come and he was expecting that somebody from the commoners should come inside, because he was missing his friend.
Yes.
So he was quite very happy to see Naveen inside the house. Both Manu and Manveer welcomed him.
Naveen happened to leave the house quite early as compared to the others.
Yeah,
right?
because maybe he lost the track or because of his injury. We cannot say that, but yes, he left the house quite early. And the patent Manu and Naveen discussion, ये जिंदगी बहुत ही कुत्ती चीज है. So that was quite interesting. Then we saw Naveen telling Lopamudra that she should not be affected with what Mandana Karimi told her, because she is no one to tell her anything because she has not been a part of this season. So I don't know whether he was supporting Lopamudra or what, but yeah, he had all the good things to tell Lopamudra.
Probably after going outside the house, he can relate to them that how they are surviving and how he should have been when he was there. So maybe that's the reason why
maybe possible. The funniest thing he told was that outside the house people are befriending him just because they want to meet Manu and Manveer. Next we saw Rishabh coming inside the house, who was a part of the show in the previous season. And he was all against Manu Punjabi. It was much evident with whatever he told. Manu Punjabi was like, you are the fakest in the house, your real face has not been revealed until now, and you are the one who has done all the evil inside the house. So it was
I don't think as a commoner he has actually taken stands and been very fair.
And he is the one who has been sacrificing for Manveer from the beginning of the show.
In every task.
And Rishabh was like, even after your mother's device, you were on a completely different track. You were against Manveer. You were bitching about Manveer. So yeah, he had this motive of coming inside the house and speaking against Manu Punjabi. And then we saw Lokesh coming inside the house, and Lokesh is always fun.
She's my favorite.
She's always fun to watch, and her patent
Did she talk to the Bigg Boss in the camera?
Definitely. How can she miss that? How can she miss talking to Bigg Boss? He's actually Bigg Boss ki bhi favorite, I think, Lokesh hai. And then we saw Lokesh trying to melt the ice between Lopamudra and Bani, because
that was an interesting task, because someone is taking the initiative in the towards the end when the season is about to end.
And it is not even relevant to keep the animosity inside the house to take it outside. And then Bani even took the task sportingly, and she told all the good things about Lopamudra, that how she has been sharing her food, how she has been cooking for the contestants. And Manu Punjabi once again commented on Lopamudra's cooking, that he cannot prevent himself from saying all these things. Now today we will see that Bigg Boss contestants will be shown their entire journey. They'll be all emotional to see that what all they went through inside the Bigg Boss house in the 10th season. So let's see what happens in tonight's episode of Bigg Boss 10. Till then, keep watching IndianExpress.com. Thank you.